Hello and welcome to the virtual Lead Auditor training course on ISO 9001-2015. Today, we'll be diving into Lesson 11, Mock Lead Audit Simulation, featuring a garments factory case study. By the end of this session, you will clearly understand how to work through a case study, follow simulation steps, plan an audit, conduct it effectively, identify findings, prepare audit documentation, present your findings professionally, and finally, complete your activity and homework. Let's begin. Let's look at the key objectives of today's lesson. By completing this lesson, you will apply all previously learned concepts in a simulated and realistic audit scenario. Experience the complete audit process from planning to reporting, and gain confidence in conducting real audits, especially in the garments industry. Case Study Overview. Here's an overview of the case study we'll be working with. Factory name: Startex Ltd, located in Dhaka, Bangladesh. Audit scope: the quality management system of their cutting, sewing, finishing, and compliance departments. Audit criteria: ISO 9001-2015 clauses 4 through 10. Let's begin the simulation steps, starting with audit planning. In this stage, you will review the factory's profile and audit scope, identify key areas and processes to audit, and prepare your audit checklist accordingly. Simulation Step 2. Conducting the audit. Here, you will 1. Interview relevant teams like production, quality, and compliance. 2. Observe floor-level practices such as cutting, sewing, and packaging. 3. And review records including quality checks, training logs, and maintenance schedules. Simulation Step 3. Identify findings. You are expected to find and document at least one major non-conformity, one minor NCR, one observation, and one best practice followed by the factory. Simulation Step 4. Prepare documentation. After findings, you'll prepare the documentation. This includes writing the NCR reports, drafting corrective and preventive actions or CAPAs, and completing the full audit report using the provided template. Simulation Step 5. Present findings. To present your findings, simulate a closing meeting with the factory's management team. Share your findings using a clear, evidence-based approach, showing professionalism and objectivity. Now it's your turn. Activity: work in teams to perform the mock audit. Use the provided audit checklist, NCR form, CAPA form, and audit report template. Homework: submit a complete mock audit file including audit plan, NCR reports, CAPA forms, final audit report, and a summary presentation of your audit findings. We hope this session gave you a practical and clear understanding of how to conduct a lead audit in a real-world setting. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Join us next time for Day 12, where we'll cover tips and strategies for the ISO 9001-2015 Lead Auditor exam. Thank you, and good luck with your mock audit.